How to insert table in Microsoft Word? There are two ways. First, you need to select the position you want to insert this table. So I put the table here, and after that, go to page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to insert. Here in insert page, you can see here the table. So you can click the table, and after you click the table, you can choose row and column here. You can choose 5 by 5 table, 5 by 6 or 6 by 6 or 3 by 3. So for my example, I put 10 by 6. So another one to insert table on your Microsoft Word, put again the position you want to insert the table. So I put here. And after that, go to home page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to insert. Here in insert, you can see the table. You can click this. And another one to insert table is click the choose row and column. And you can see the pop-up here. So you can see the number of column and the number of row. So for my example, I put 8 number of columns and 6 number of row. And after you set the number of columns and number of row, click OK on the pop-up to insert the table on your Microsoft Word.